Hi friends, let me show you this Petopia dog clipper that I received for reviewing purposes. You get, a welcoming message, some of the charging and using instructions, some general recommendations for your pets, a nice postcard, and some pet stickers, okay? Well, the actual trimmer is a really nice purple color clipper, as you can see, okay? This is the charging base. And you get some other accessories here inside. An oil to help your clipper to work properly, a cleaning comb, the charging cable that you will plug here. Of course, you can also charge it directly like this, but the base is nicer, okay? Don't forget these curved scissors to help you trim some of the pet's hair. And this metal steel comb that you can use if you have your pet with more hair. You want to use a more open comb or thinner hair with this side of the comb, okay? So you get all the accessories you need to groom your pet really, really easy, okay? If you want to use the longer hair blade, you just have to take this off and put this on. That's it. You get a blade that will leave longer hair in your pets, okay? You turn it on here. You have 3 speeds, 6,000, 6,500, and 7,000 RPMs. So depending on your pet's hair and hair length, you want to use different speeds, okay? So it's easy to use. Let's try it with my pets. So now we're going to test it with my pet, with Choco, okay? I put the small blade in it because it has short hair. And
best friend.
I put the small blade because it has short hair and a slow motion. So you want to follow your pet's hair direction. Look how easy it is, how nice the cut goes. Okay. Okay. And you can change the length of the cut. Here, less cut. Perfect. If you want to cut the face's hair, this is the one. Like this. Just a little bit. Of course, you need some practice to do this. I'm going to use more the razor than the scissors, but you can do both. And you can use a comb to comb the hair that you are not going to cut, to untangle it, okay? Perfect. So this is a nice to use set. If you want to groom your pets yourself, you have the scissors, the shaver, the different size, different hair size, length blades, and the charging cable, the oil to maintain them in a perfect shape. Thank you very much.